Hello, this is Chad. Today I thought I'd do a real quick video of hands-on with the new Google Home Hub. So let's get started. So this is a screensaver. You can see it shows the time and weather. You touch the screen, it goes off the screensaver. This is the normal screen that you'd get. And you can click on the weather and it will bring up weather.
In South Jordan tomorrow, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 65.
Okay, and so to go back one menu, you just kind of swipe, and now you can scroll through some of the screensavers. But let's touch the middle and we're back to the home screen. What can we do with this? So let's pull down from the top. It's telling me what my thermostat is set to, 64 degrees. Well, I'm not supposed to be home, but I am. I can click on cameras. This will show me my Nest Hello at my front yard. And let's get out of that. I click on thermostats. This is going to show me the Nest thermostat and what the temperature is. I can click on mode and change it from heat, cool, eco, whatever. And got out of that screen. Let's go to broadcast. You can broadcast to
What's the
other
message?
Google Homes. Have a nice day. I have a little Google Mini that will
Got it.
broadcast on.
Broadcasting now.
Google Homes. Have a nice day. Anyways,
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back.
we can also click on media, and I can send things to different Chromecast or to a Google Home Mini if I'm listening to music or Pandora or something. I think that's mainly for music. I'm not quite sure. On lights, this is gonna, so I don't have, this isn't showing me my individual lights. Well, I guess if I click on all lights, it'll show, I think this is mainly, oh, that's probably too many lights to do at once. But you can control lights from it. It's easier if you have it set up in groups. If you don't have as many lights. Anyways, let's move on. If you scroll up from the bottom, it has settings. You can dim the display or make it brighter. You can move up the sound, turn the sound down. It has a do not disturb mode. Click on the little cog at the bottom and you can change Wi-Fi. You can see more about the device, what version, what name it is, blah, blah, blah. The other thing you can do is give feedback to Google if something's not working
what
right.
needs to be improved?
Everything's working good right now. But anyways, we won't send that. It'll go through and ask you if you really want to send that, and I don't. Anyways, you can scroll this way too, and you can click on news. As you can see, I have Pandora, YouTube, and then it asks me what do I want to do. I can make a phone call. You can set up reminders, and then at the very end there's explore more things your assistant can do, and so it pulls up a bunch of more things that you can do with it. As you can see, there's quite a bit. I checked the stock market because today is a bad day. Let's just see what anyways, you...
According to Wikipedia, the NASDAQ stock market is an American stock exchange.
That's not what I wanted. I was hoping it would be checking the stock market to see what the NASDAQ's at. But anyways, as you can see, this thing's pretty cool. It does a lot. I'm sure there will be a lot more functionality coming to it as time goes on. At $150 a pop, I very much recommend this. Anyways, this was a quick overview, hands-on. I would play you some music, but I'd probably get in trouble by copyright. It sounds really good. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.